This video demonstrates user management under management. Tiles ERP can have many users for each section. This is why Tiles ERP offers user management feature. To add a new user, click on Add New User. Enter user's name. Create email. Select which branch information they can access. Create password. Next, you must assign the user rights to access different options of Tiles ERP. To edit a user, click on the blue Edit button. To delete a user, click on red Delete button. The user can now log into the software with their specific credentials and access the Authorize area. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.